I think the challenges in general was just, it's not a project that gets built every day. It's something that's very unique, and you can't approach it from I know how to build it, because no one's ever built it before. So the biggest thing is understanding the customer, understanding the needs, in a sense humbling yourself to where you have to work with them to figure it out and not just assume, and then work through those challenges along the way. I think anytime you can build a unique project with its own set of challenges, you kind of highlight to the customer that I can build anything. It doesn't matter if it's something you do every day or if it's something that's one-off for you.
One of the challenges we had was along the guideway itself for the train system, there's standard cable trays that hold all the cabling, the low voltage, the communication cables. That tray itself was very difficult to put in other systems that Alstom had done. And what we did as the Weitz Company, we went and designed with our internal supply chain, we designed a new cable tray and fabricated that to fit this system specifically, and effectively reduce the cost for Alstom and increase the productivity and installation time.
So the Phoenix SkyTrain is a very unique project. All APMs are. In terms of Phoenix, this project will never be built again. This is a one-off, but we've taken those lessons learned and we've applied them, and we take that expertise with us to other projects.
We have a dedicated group within our aviation group that is solely focused on automated people movers. It is a core essential business for us.
So I think building a better way is exceeding the customer's expectations, finding unique ways to build a project. Even if it's been built 1,000 times before, how do you do it different so that's better? That's what we're always looking to do.